There you go.
Oh, here we go.
All blowing up. Got this nice powerful motor right here. What do you think it's going to look like? Yeah, wait for it all to blow up. You got a little net to put everything. Are you excited? Yeah. There it goes. Doesn't even take very much time, huh? We got our slide in the front. Oh, it's a dual slide. Two kids can go down at once. Isn't that cool? Oh, here comes the rest of it. Look at that. Ooh, there's a hoop to jump through. You see that?
Hoop?
Yeah, you jump through that.
Where do you go?
You go up the slide. Or there's over on this side over here, there's a net. All right, let's see how fun it is. Whoa. Let's go down the slide. You did. So see, it comes with these stakes, all this vinyl patches and this thread to repair it if anything happens. But it's really fun. That center hoop in there is great.
7 goals.
Yeah, we're just scoring goals through it. So definitely highly recommend. Yeah, go pop them.
Later, you want to go to a music concert?
All right, show me how you jump, buddy. Move. Can you grab onto?
4 goals.
4 goals. Can you grab onto this? And then slide down. Oh, there's a fun slide. And you go back through. Do it all again. This would be fun for multiple kids. The motor is very quiet. It comes with a ton of patches if it ends up getting holes, and stakes to hold it down on the ground if it's windy as well. It'd be great for parties or just summer breaks or spring breaks where you need to get your kids outside and playing. And I hope this video helps with your buying decision.